Hi everybody, welcome to Crafty Ames Workshop, and today I am going to be working in my Big John journaling art with newspaper. So let's get into it. I am not going to talk through this one. We are just going to paint. So you need your paintbrush, you need some water. I'm using acrylic paints. I'm using gesso to cover up the newspaper print. And then I am using a palette to put the paint in. Okay, everybody, I think that's everything that I'm gonna do. So this is my Happy Independence Day, July 4th celebration picture in my journaling art with newspaper book. So I hope you like that. I just did a lot of glue and glitter for the fireworks. I used stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby, and the brand name on those is Alphabet Stickers by the Paper Studio. Got those a long time ago. I'm trying to use up stickers. And then I just used acrylic paint. This, if y'all don't know, this right here is supposed to be a pole to hold up the flag. I know that didn't go very well. And as you could see, there were several times I had to redo the stars. It was just not working out for me. So, but it is all done and I'm very satisfied with it. And I hope you all liked it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Give me a comment down below. I wish you all a happy Independence Day and keep on crafting. Bye.